idiot zombie running around. It's green for us and he's running in front of us, jogging or something. Idiot. Whenever you are stuck in this road near St. John's, I would recommend you to take this shortcut or a side route or a service road, so that you avoid the main signal there and all the fuss, because this road will be usually free, and you can avoid stress on the engine and stress on yourself as well. See, now that I've come to the end of the road here, as you can see, this is a free lane. Even the cops will allow you to go, so you don't have to worry. While others are stuck in traffic jam or behind a signal or behind a lot of buses, you can easily take this shortcut and go ahead. Wow, it was good that these buses made proper way for it, dude. Very nice. So what happened was like this, everyone were making way for the ambulance. And 2 or 3 guys, I guess they just followed the ambulance around and went right behind it for a long time, breaking the signal and everything. So someone caught hold of them and slapped them left and right, because they were using the ambulance as a shield and going behind it to avoid traffic jam. So nowadays all those things have started. Be really careful. It's not fun and games to think about that there is an ambulance ahead and you'll just follow it. Don't do that. So we are riding as slow as whoa. That's what everyone is looking at, the ambulance and riding. So that's why I guess he got distracted and dashed into him. This ambulance person is really experienced, dude. The way he's driving the TT right is really good. It's really, really good. See this man, I feel really sad, despite his driving skills. The traffic over here will make him regret coming towards this side. I guess he's late to his office, dude. Oh my god. Like, he's not ready to let go at all. Like, he's going and going and going. Even the tree couldn't stop him from filtering. ಏನ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಿರಲ್ರಿ. We are honking at him so much. Finally, for the first time, I spotted Duke 250. It's been almost a month that it has been released, but this is the first time I'm seeing it actually. Certainly looks great, dude. Actually, this person, if you remember in one of the Bangalore reactions, he had spotted me and he told that he'll be buying a Duke 250. Nice, man, very nice. He spotted me and now I spot him. A very nice bike, dude. It looks sexy, man. Wow. Roy, right? Yeah. Roy. Yeah. Huh? Joy. Avattu confuse madkonde. Sorry. Very nice, dude. It's okay, sit. Very nice. Congrats. The bike is beautiful, man. So I'll ride and find out. So far, from behind, it looks like a superb bike, dude. I was like, what is this? The LEDs are so bright, okay, from behind. Sakadagida madre nodake. LED back inda. LED back. Sakadagida, adu super agide. Illond windshield ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, KTM ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಜಾ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ರೀ, ನಂಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. Yeah, nice that I spotted you this time. Look at that, man. It's really, really sexy, man. I'm glad that I'm recording This person will have a blast when he watches the video on my channel. Look at the stance of it, dude. Wow. Now I guess people will be wondering for that reaction which I gave that I'll sell my Mojo to buy one. I don't know, dude. We'll see what happens. As you can see there behind that auto, it is written Tande Tayi Ashirvada. So a lot of people, the ones who are not from Karnataka and they are from north or northeast, they keep asking in the comment section as to what that means. So it is Tande means dad, Tayi means mom, and Ashirvada means blessings. So they basically have it on all their autos when they start a new business or something, and they're like, this is blessed by parents. That's what it means. It's good that a lot of people are showing interest in understanding what these phrases actually mean and don't really go away with it. So yeah guys, I have a short story to share with you guys while I'm stuck in this traffic jam. So what happened was, this couple who are aged at around 30 or 29, I don't remember their age properly. I got their text on Instagram. They have been following me and my YouTube channel for a long time now. Both the wife and the husband were used to the comfort of cars so much that it has been like over 8 or 9 years that they have ridden a bike, and they are a Bangalorean here. Both of them have grown up here in this beautiful city, and so this couple, they have been following me on YouTube for a while now, and they enjoy all the videos. Both the husband and wife, they watch my videos on TV, it seems, so that's very nice. And both of them have subscribed to me. So it is very nice. So after watching so many videos of mine, both of them were like, back in the days, we used to enjoy the ride. We used to go on short rides here and there, and we used to enjoy it. Why not we do it again? Because this guy has been showing some pretty good places around Bangalore. Now after 8 years, they have bought a FZ16, that 150cc bike or 160cc bike, and they have gone to Nandi Hills, Savalabetta, they have gone to Lepakshi, and they have gone to a few other places which I have showed in my videos in Incredible India playlist. And so now they were like, thanks for giving our memories back to us. We both are really enjoying the bikes. And so when this couple shared their story with me, I felt really happy. And I thanked them for following me, and they said, don't worry, it is not, we will not stop here. We'll wait for more updates on your channel, more places that you explore, and we will certainly go and enjoy those places. Thanks a lot, Big Bang Biker, is what they said. So at this point I realized, I don't have to give a shit about haters or people who come and simply dislike my videos on a regular basis. I don't really care about them anymore, because there are few people who are looking for my channel, to get info which they wouldn't get otherwise, and have a good time. So thanks a lot to that couple. No, I won't be sharing their details anywhere. I told them if I could share their story on my channel. They said go ahead, but please don't share our names, is what they had said. I respect their privacy, and thanks a lot. How many of you have seen this spelling mistakes in the stickers that is put on cars and bikes? Keep distance. Oh my god, I've seen a lot of those. Oh, this number plate is completely broken. This is how you carry rope or cable, guys. He has wrapped it around himself. I have done like this so many times. This is fun, Too many responsibilities. You can't just concentrate on the traffic, okay? You have to take care of your product also.